Hello friends, today we are discuss about remaining part of angle and its measurement. First point, measures of angle. The amount of rotation from the initial ray OA to the terminal ray OB gives the measure of angle AOB. It is measured in two systems. First, sexagesimal system, that is degree measure. These type you know very well. Second type, circular system, that is radian measure. This system is new. Next point, sexagesimal system, degree measure. In this system, the unit of measurement of angle is a degree. Unit of measurement of angle is degree. One rotation angle is divided into 360 equal parts. The measures of each part is called as 1 degree angle. 1 divided 3/60th part of one complete rotation is called 1 degree and is denoted by 1 degree. Next, 1 divided 60th part of 1 degree. 1 divided 60th part of 1 degree is called 1 minute and is denoted by 1 minute. Next, 1 divided by 60th part of 1 minute is called 1 second and is denoted by 1 double dash. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Measure of angle, one rotation angle 360 degree, measure of straight angle 180 degree, measure of right angle 90 degree. Next point, theorem. The radian so defined is independent of the radius of the circle used and pi radian equals to 180 degree, means pi equals to 180 degree. Let us consider a circle with center O and radius R. Let AB be an arc of length R. Join OA and OB. Then angle AOB equals to 1 radian. Produce AO to meet the circle at C. Next point, note, to convert degree measure into radian measure, multiply degree measure by pi by 180. Convert degree measure into radian measures, then multiply degree by pi by 180. Okay. Second point, to convert radian measure into degree measure, multiply radian measure by 180 upon pi. Third point, taking pi equals to value 3.14, we have 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi degree, 180 upon pi value 3 by 14 put and then solve equals to 57.3248 degree. In table, degree measure are expressed in terms of radians. First column 15 and radian pi by 12. Pi by 12, these pi by 12, pi equals to put up value 180 by 12 equals to 15. These are the remaining part of the all columns. Relation between angle and time in clock. R is rotation. First point, minute hand. One rotation, minute kata, one rotation equals to 360 degree. One rotation minute hand complete झाल्यानंतर 60 मिनिट होणार. ओके, 60 मिनिट इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री आणि 1 मिनिट कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर 1 मिनिट हँड 60 डिग्री रोटेशन. ओके. सेकंड पॉइंट, हावर्स हँड. वन रोटेशन 360 डिग्री, 1 rotation hours and complete 12 hours completed and 1 hours 30 degree, 1 hours 60 minute होणार. 1 hour 60 minute and 60 minutes hours and rotate 30 degree and 1 minutes half degree. The word minute is used for time measurement as well as 60th part of degree of angle. In this example, use the remaining formulae. I will also tell you first degree into radian and second radian into degree. A question: convert the following degree measure in the radian measure. First example, theta equals to value 70 degree. Degree measure convert to radian, theta multiply by pi by 180. Theta ची व्हॅल्यू आपली 70 into pi by 180. Then calculation 7 pi upon 18 radian. Okay. Remaining two example you solve. Next questions: convert the following angle into radian. Similar to remaining example, these two examples you solve, and any doubt ask me. Second question: convert the following radian measure in the degree measure. We know that theta equals to value 7 pi by 3 and theta multiply by 180 upon pi degree. म्हणजे 7 pi by 3 कन्वर्ट डिग्रीमध्ये करायचं असेल तर 180 बाय पायनी मल्टिप्लाय करायचे आणि देन कॅल्क्युलेशन पाय पाय गेट कॅन्सल आणि लास्ट वन 420 डिग्री. दिस इज द फायनल आन्सर. नेक्स्ट, convert the following angles in degree. These three examples you solve, and any doubt ask me. Some examples discuss. Example: one angle of quadrilateral is 2 pi by 9 radian. फर्स्ट अँगल क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचा दिलेला आहे आपल्याला 2 pi by 9 radian, and the measures of the other 3 angles are in the ratio, and remaining 3 angles ratio मध्ये दिले 3 as 5 as 8. Find their measures in degree. Okay, just solve first. रॅडियनमध्ये एक अँगल आपल्याला दिलेला आहे, रेशो दिलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला सर्व कन्वर्ट आपल्याला डिग्रीमध्ये अँगल्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत. द सम ऑफ अँगल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल इज 360 डिग्री. ओके, वन ऑफ द अँगल इज गिवन 2 pi by 9 radian is given part. Radian convert into degree. 2 pi by 9 multiply by 180 upon pi degree. That pi get cancel and equals to 40 degree. Means first angle is 40 degree. Okay. Sum of the remaining 3 angles is quadrilateral interior all angles sum is 360 degree. One angle 40 degree, that is 360 minus 40 equals to 320 degree. Since these 3 angles are in the ratio 3 as 5 as 8, therefore degree measures of these angles are 3k, 5k, 8k, where k is a constant. Therefore 3k plus 5k plus 8k equals to 320 degree. Therefore addition 16k equals to 320 degree. Therefore k equal to 20 degree. The measures of 3 angles are 3k degree. K ची व्हॅल्यू 20 पुटअप करा. Then all angles, first angle is 60 degree, second 100 and last one is 160 degree. Okay. These example you solve. In triangle ABC first angle दिला आहे, measure of angle 7 pi by 36. ओके, रॅडियन मध्ये दिलेला आहे. सेकंड अँगल measure of angle B 120 डिग्री डिग्री मध्ये दिलेला आहे आणि फाइंड काय विचारले आपल्याला, measure of angle C in degree and radian. अँगल C फाइंड आउट करायचे डिग्री मध्ये पण आणि रेडियन मध्ये पण. ओके, these examples you solve properly. Any doubt ask me. मेजर ऑफ अँगल आहे 7π/36 दिला आहे. कन्वर्ट करा फर्स्ट डिग्रीमध्ये 7π/36 इंटू 180/π आणि मेजर ऑफ अँगल ए डिग्रीमध्ये मिळेल. मेजर ऑफ अँगल बी 120 डिग्री दिलेला आहे. देन इंटेरियर अँगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. टू अँगल्स ॲडिशन. देन फाइंड मेजर ऑफ अँगल सी अँड मेजर ऑफ अँगल सी मिळाल्यानंतरनी त्या अँगलचं कन्वर्ट रेडियनमध्ये करा. दीज आर मेजर्स ऑफ अँगल डिग्री अँड रेडियन आपल्याला मिळेल. ओके. You solve properly and any doubt ask me. Next example. These type of the examples already I discuss. One angle of quadrilateral has measure 2π/9 and the measures of other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find their measures in degree and radian. Degree and radian. Remaining part of this example only find degree and this example degree and radian. You solve and any doubt ask me. Watching my video. Thank you.